Just look at this Metalcraft land transport scraper, which is designed for layer-by-layer digging of soil. Its transportation and backfilling in layers of the desired thickness on the site. Such a machine, in combination with a tractor, perfectly develops soil of 1 to 2 categories, from black soil to heavy clay. If the soil is of a denser category, you should first develop the soil with a special ripper. This is a tractor-mounted wood terminator chipper, mounted in addition to a cool 400 horsepower John Deere tractor. This machine is capable of chopping your wood into biomass quickly and efficiently by utilizing rotary technology with a large flywheel mass, advanced knives and blades. The machine's powerful electronics control aggressive feed and hydraulic blowers ensure clean chips. The Kaiser S12 series excavator, specially designed for work in inaccessible terrain, has the ability to drive as well as walk. In fact, it has a rotating platform with a cab, power plant, and boom equipment, placed on the lower frame with the original wheel travel. The machine has an operating weight of just over 10 tons and is equipped with a Perkins diesel engine with 175 horsepower. By the way, in extreme conditions, the wheels can be removed to ensure the stability of the equipment. The next trencher is a Spanish high-performance chain-driven machine. It is used for laying water supply systems, electrical and optical cables. It is powered by an 800 horsepower diesel engine. As for the width of the trench that can be laid by this machine, it ranges from 12 to 150 centimeters, and its depth can be even 6 meters. Nemo is a fully hydrostatic beach cleaner operating on board, extremely maneuverable and practical to use even in very confined spaces. It is controlled by 2 joysticks that allow you to adjust speed, direction, and working depth. The machine is equipped with a fixed blade that collects sand and debris at the required depth and width of 100 centimeters. They are fed to a vertically moving sieve, which allows the waste to be left in the collection container and the clean sand to be dumped out. The story of the ILF Alpha is as unique as its performance. The special machine concept for a specialized attachment carrier. It was created in an award-winning project together with practitioners and users from forestry and landscape maintenance. The result is a highly durable machine with a sophisticated telescopic boom with a steep working length. The ILF Alpha has excellent all-round visibility, a modern cab, and is characterized by practical operation and high productivity. You see a mounted stump trimmer from Rabat, which is perfect for excavators from 4.5 to 8 tons. The disc thickness is 20 millimeters, the teeth size 5, 7, and 9 made of carbide, which can be used 3 times until completely worn out. There will be no additional cost for a third hydraulic line, and the angular gear mounted directly on the disc is designed to increase power. The demolition machine from Kobelco can make light work of tall buildings. This model features a unique 3-piece separate boom, hydraulic piping, and the exclusive Next attachment system. This powerful kit greatly simplifies assembly and disassembly for easy setup and teardown. With 535 horsepower and a 55-ton operating weight, the Caterpillar Model A36K landfill compactor delivers the highest level of reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and efficiency in its class. As a representative of a family of machine that has been performing work on landfills for more than 20 years, this model is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. Back to the machinery from the popular Cat Company. They have introduced their Model 825C Vibratory Road Roller. I can say definitely, the machine is truly versatile, easy to operate, and unpretentious in maintenance. The technique quickly adapts to any condition and task, performing reliable and effective compaction of the construction mixture. If your wooded area has unsightly stumps, minimal trees, or scattered debris, a mulching machine will do an impressive job of clearing the land. This process is performed flush with the ground, so you will quickly cope with the task and move on to a new stage of construction. By the way, such munchers are suitable for installation on different types of excavators, tractors, and mini loaders. The wood chipper is now used by many public utilities, for which the chopping of branches or the uprooting of stubborn stumps is one of the main tasks in the spring and fall. That's why eTerra Attachments decided to show the world its Vortex Stump Grinder, which copes perfectly with all the tasks at hand. The CID pivoting boom cutter, mounted on the RT120 mini loader, has a 2.45 meter horizontal reach and a vertical reach of 40 centimeters. As you can see for yourself, this makes removing unwanted tree branches less of a hassle. The blade will also swivel to the right and can be used as a side cutter. A versatile machine, what can I say? The HS8300 excavator is specially designed for heavy mining applications. In dragline mode, the LiberRope excavator impresses with its high productivity. Its hydraulic accumulator enables energy to be recovered during operation with the dragline bucket. This reduces fuel consumption and wear on the free dump winch. If you buy a mini loader from eTerra, you don't have to worry anymore. You will definitely be one of the best when it comes to building fences. The equipment will be an ideal assistant for drilling holes for posts, mixing, and pouring cement. Efficient, complex, productive? My answer is unequivocal. Of course, yes. Bricks are produced not only in large factories, but also by hydraulic press machines. It consists of the metal structure itself, a hydraulic power unit, an electric console, a stacker, and several molds for the production of the material. Thanks to this approach, bricks are produced quickly and efficiently. It's nice when a machine is so versatile that it can handle a variety of jobs with ease. Trenching, pipe installation, grounding, and many other tasks are perfectly easy for Ditch Witch machines. Their new SK750 is the perfect partner to take on all the dirty and difficult jobs. Plus, the machine is as comfortable to operate as possible, which is important. Let's discuss what are the main advantages of the Liebherr R 9400 mining excavator. Firstly, the manufacturers note its large digging depth, which significantly increases the productivity of the machine. It is impossible to ignore the working volume of the bucket and the crawler base. After all, it is these components that make the machine truly stable. The Dredge King is the largest slurry removal vessel and can be used in multifunctional ways for dredging. The 4 hydraulic supports ensure high stability during operation. Due to the optimal use of the supports, the slurry dinghy can be loaded independently, so no crane is required. And now take a close look at the animation of the ETF D4 dump truck. To demonstrate the capabilities of all-wheel drive and its other charms, the machine rushes in off-road conditions, and as we can see, quite effectively. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. This type of sweeper from Verizon is the leading machine in the Runway Sweeper product group. The RS400 is designed for maximum power and performance. It offers impressive functionality, high reliability, and minimal operating expenses. RS400s can be found at many of the world's major airports. They set the standard when it comes to optimizing snow removal fleets in terms of number of machines and cleaning efficiency. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. cutter soil mix system, rightly considered a revolutionary, sustainable technique, designed without soil mixing by the cutter without any vibrations. Just look at how this powerful machine works. The Bodum Bow cofferdam works without worries and with minimal risks, according to the optimal economic procedure and planning. The Scania AXL unmanned concept vehicle is designed for use in mines and large closed construction sites, which are optimal for fully autonomous transport. This model streamlines the transportation of goods, improves plant efficiency, and reduces environmental impact. The design of the machine does not include a traditional driver's cabin, but is replaced by an intelligent front module. Due to the fuel-efficient engine and fuel tank, the machine can work uninterruptedly for one day. Raptor 800 has HDDL, a system of direct force, or torque, transmission from the engine to the mulcher cutter thanks to PTO, which is designed for heavy-duty conditions. The machine is 30% more efficient than hydraulic systems of equivalent power. And this is a giant plus, you'll agree. The load crane from the Polfinger Group is a cool piece of equipment designed for extremely gentle snow removal. But don't think that this has any effect on its efficiency. Not at all. The machine is assisted in its work by a large brush and almost fully automated control, which the operator will not have much trouble learning. The Morbark 3200 is a relatively small and fairly aggressive horizontal chipper designed to process wood and green waste. This model can easily process green waste, sawmill waste, pallets, and medium-sized logs. The machine also performs an excellent pre-crushing process, which is also important. The really efficient handling of large volumes of scrap metal and coal by the loading and unloading machine on your screens is made possible by its main features. These, of course, include its revolutionary dimensions, impressive operating weight, long reach, and extreme power. Senni Boggan with the coolest green hybrid system is a true giant in its field. The Typhoon Lawnmower is a robust and reliable side swivel brush cutter, which is designed to make it much easier to remove small trees, bushes, and other plants from a certain plot of land. I advise you to get such a thing.